going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome on back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart for another Copart walk around. Let's jump into this today with number one on my list, something different. Well, this is something a little different, isn't it? It's a Hertz vehicle, a 2020 Nissan NV2500, and it's definitely got some roof damage. How bad is it? I don't know, and I don't think I can climb up there. It's listed as a start, but not a drive. That's also interesting. I mean, it wouldn't be because of a flat tire. You could still get it to it. This thing is beat the hell up. That's a fact. 36,000 miles, that's it. 36,000 miles. This side is caved in right here. The roof, I wish I could get you further. I'm not tall enough, man. I'm not tall enough, and the sun's probably blinding you guys right now anyway. Let's see if I could climb up here without hitting this car and tearing anything else up here. Let me try to climb in. Let's see, can you see how bad the roof is? I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me walk through here. Oh, it still smells new though. You could clearly see she is banged up. Really banged up in here. Yeah, I bet if we open this door, I get y'all a little better vantage point here. You can see how bad is it. I'm guessing it's pretty bad if they totaled it, right? Hey, how bad is it? All right, let's close that door. She looks pretty good on this side though. Yeah, I mean, on this side looks pretty good. Hold on. She's all tore up down here too. Good Lord, 35,000 miles? This thing has had a life, man. This has been a hard life. Good Lord. I've seen cars with 250,000 miles in better shape than this. So that's just sad. That's just sad. All right, well, you know, we got to find out if it runs. And I refuse to believe that it doesn't drive. I just find that very difficult to believe. Unless it's a rear-wheel drive, and for whatever reason, because it's so big, they removed the drive shaft, maybe? Fired right up. What's in here? Oh, some alcohol. Not of the drinking variety either. All right. 400 watt AC inverter, rear park assist, air conditioning is on, radio
can deliver the neighborhood.
Yeah, got the radio. Woo. Oh man, that AC blows like a mug. Wow, turn that down. That is insane. Important window does work. All right, what lights do we have on? Let's see. We got brake, seat belts, and TPMS lights. Doesn't surprise me. I mean, we do have a flat tire. Where is the e-brake though? I don't even see. Maybe it's an electronic e-brake. You guys see it? You guys see? It says the e-brake is on. That's hood release. I don't see. Huh. Okay. Well. Oh, well, the e-brake is definitely on. The problem is I can't find it. This is all going to be air conditioning, heating. That's all for the radio. Hazard lights. You would think it would be down here, but it's not. There's not a handheld e-brake that I can find either. This is interesting. Very interesting. You got me wanting to Google it, man. Where's the... Oh, there it is right there. You can't see it. There we go. There we go. Well, that's why. That's why it's listed as a start, not a drive. Yeah. Of course it's not going to drive with the e-brake on. Look, we got a backup camera. Yeah, she moves. Yeah, she moves. She moves just fine. Runs great. I wonder what the price on something like this is. What would something like this go for? I mean, it's a commercial vehicle, so obviously it's going to go for some money. I have no use for it, but I'd buy it anyway if it went for, oh wow. That's it? Really? What is this? Is this a little V6? Yeah, it's a little V6. What is it, 3.5 liter? Let's see. I don't know anything about these guys. This is a, well, it's a 2020. It's a 4.0. A 4.0 V6. So much room to work. Like, seriously, no issues working on this at all. I want to know how much this is going for, because I, believe it or not, I want to throw a bid on it. If it's not going for an insane amount of money, I'll buy this. I will. Give me a second, guys. Let me pull it up on the app. Well, that's not going to happen. I didn't realize how expensive this was. The estimated retail value is $39,000. It's on reserve. It's got a clean title. Nevada certificate of title, rental vehicle, engine start program, 4.06, sit at $2,000. I'll go ahead and throw a bid on it. That's not a problem. But if it's a $40,000 vehicle, there's no way in hell they're going to let it go for $2,000. It's not a pure sale. It's on reserve. So I'm going to wait till it gets closer to the auction. It's got 2 days left, and we'll see how it goes then. Next on my list, a 2008 Toyota Tacoma with 200,000 miles. It's listed as a run and drive. I don't know if it's wrecked or not. I don't remember this one. But let's check it out. So far, so good. I mean, it's small, but it's got good tires, and the body looks relatively good. Big old tow hitch on the back, man. This thing means business. Yeah, she looks really good, actually. I'm surprised. I thought maybe this one was going to be wrecked or something, but it's not. It's got a nice set of tires. The body looks decent. It is a dealer CDS car, so it's a dealership. And while I've told you many times that yes, I do look at these more closely than I would an insurance car, I am not against bidding or buying one at all. At all. You just got to be a little more careful, be a little more vigilant, and make sure that you know what you're getting and don't overpay for it. Let's take a look at the oil. Very clean oil. That's a good sign. Let's check the trans fluid as well. I like this. I do. I like this little truck. Trans fluid's a little dirty, but it's full. It looks to be in relatively good shape. I mean, definitely transmission service is in order here. Let's put that back where, come on, back where she belongs. Let's go ahead and check the coolant real quick. You know I'm serious about it when I start checking all this stuff, right? Actually, that may have a little pressure on the system there. Yeah, I think there's a little pressure. We're not going to do that. I don't trust it. I'm not trying to blow myself up or get antifreeze everywhere. Oh, she's got power. The keys are on the floor. That's weird. That's bizarre. It smells pretty bad. Like, oop. Okay, come on. It smells real bad. Oh. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that did not sound like even compression. Cat's cut off too. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that's loud. That's real loud. Good night. Brakes feel good. The steering wheel is bent heavily. Like really bent forward severely. Look at this. Wow. How did that even happen? Backwards, forwards. Air conditioning works. The important window works. AC is ice cold. We'll turn that off. The engine sounds healthy. Just when we cranked it up, that did not sound good. Sounds fine now, though. Huh. All right. I mean, it smells bad. It's dirty on the inside. I'm not sure how this steering wheel got like this. I mean, can you see the difference? Look how bent that is. Yeah, that's wild, man. That is wild. I'm gonna shut that off because you can't hear a damn thing. Huh. I wonder if she was in some kind of a heavy front end collision and someone patched her up. I don't know. The frame looks good. I don't see anywhere where the frame has been patched or anything. No, I don't know how that steering wheel got bent. I don't think it was from an accident, though. This thing looks to be in really good shape for the most part. I mean, it didn't crank up all that well, but once she got running, she sounds healthy. It fired back up with what sounded like even compression. I don't know, guys. Comment below, tell me what you think of the little Toyota here. I almost forgot what the hell it was. I think she's a good looking truck. I do notice the headlight's been replaced on that side. In fact, it looks like the front clip may be replaced. Look at the difference in paint. Bright white, a much darker. Everything, the front clip looks darker. Huh. All the way over to this door. And then the paint changes color. I don't know. I'm overthinking it probably. I'll tell you what, when I start having to really think about things like that, I just walk away from it. Yeah, I can clearly see it from here. I don't know if you guys can, but the paint color matches all up the door till you get to that back door. As soon as you get back there, like it changes colors quickly to a bright white. That is weird. And then over here, it changes right here at this door to a bright white from here back. Yeah, for me, guys, I'm gonna walk away from this one. Let's find something else. What do you think, guys? An old F250. I'm not even sure of the year. 88 or 89 would be my guess. Says it's a non-runner, but look at this front bumper, man. Oh goodness, this thing's a beast. It's only got 1, 2, 3, 4 lug nuts. Okay, so she's missing a few lug nuts. No date, no year on the sticker. Is there one over here somewhere? No? Maybe over here. There we go. 5 of 89. She's an 89. Oh, wow. Boy, that is dirty. Oh, she's a manual. She's a stick shift. Oh, and the clutch works, I think. Feels like it. Brakes still have pressure. All right. All right, she's kind of dirty. She's kind of dirty. Lots of parts back there. Overall, though, she doesn't look too bad. Other than all of the wheels only seem to have half of their lug nuts. Big old bumper back here too. Okay, let's pop the hood. Let's see what she's working with. Hopefully, it's something bigger than a 5-liter. I mean, I don't know. The straight 6 would be fine too. Can I find the hood release under here? So there it is. There it is. All right. Uh-oh. Oh, it's jammed. There we go. There we go. What do we got under here? Well, I'm having trouble seeing everything here, guys. She's definitely a V8 of sorts. Just don't know which one. And the emissions label that should have been right here is missing. So, could be a 5.0. Uh-oh, what is this? A spare distributor where the battery's supposed to go? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Huh. Well, oh, well, it tells you right there. Ford 5.8. There you go. There you go. Somebody's had this apart. It says it doesn't run. Yeah, all of this is loose. Well, it doesn't hurt to go ahead and throw a jump on it, man. Let's see if she even wants to crank or do anything at all. You never know. Sometimes these non-runners, man, sometimes you throw a little jump on them, they just come right back to life. And sometimes they don't, but I'm hoping that this one comes back to life. Really? Oh, these damn papers. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this one's not going to run, guys. I don't have a good feeling about this one, but that's okay. That's all right. We'll go ahead and throw a little A little juice on her here. Set this out of the way where it's not going to arc on something. Throw a little negative on there. Feed her some juice. And let's see what she does here. Ready for this? Here we go. All right, she's got power. Now the real question is, what is she gonna do with it? All right. No, there's no key. Oh, you're kidding me. You're kidding me. There's no key. Ah. Wow. I got so excited. I did. I got so excited. Look, we got a dome light going in here too, man. Cigarettes in the ashtray. A steering wheel that wobbles all over the place. Let's look down in there, man. No. Ah. That sucks. Yeah, there's no key. Nope. That is a bummer. That is a real bummer. Honestly, I'm real disappointed in that. I didn't know it didn't have a key, or I wouldn't have wasted my time messing with it. Oh well. Well, guys, what do you think? Is she worth? I don't know. I don't think so. She's real rough. She could look nice though. She could. I can see it. Can you see it? If you were to scrap this paint, put a fresh coat of paint, paint those wheels, put some new tires on her, paint this bumper black, you know, really clean it up, man. She could look good. She could look real good. Oh well. I'm not gonna mess with it, guys. That's the end. We're done. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button and let me know you enjoyed the content. Subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed. I'm bummed over the truck, man. I really am. I really had hopes for it. I really did. Damn it. Damn it. Anyway, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.